80 years after Auschwitz, a Nazi party in Germany is once again on its way to seizing power.
And smirk brazenly. Our bones are not yet brittle, but they're doing everything for it. The torches under the Brandenburg Gate already shine in their eyes. The venom of their tongues takes hold as a plague far too familiar. Alice, the ice-cold blonde, wants to become Reich Chancellor. A bitter cold wind will blow across German lands. In Alice's Teutonic wonderland, with headscarves. Tino specters from the Spreewald wail in rehearsed language, spouting absurd fears. By day, Björn spreads the foul stench of a long-forgotten time. The walls grow thinner when the Wessel Song cheerfully, boldly resounds. Become Reich Chancellor. A bitter cold wind will blow across German lands. They cheer steadfastly, robustly, and persistently. 2, 3, 4. Away by their storm. Alice, the ice-cold blonde, wants to become Reich Chancellor. A bitter cold wind will blow across German lands. And what about the old parties? Wants to become Reich Chancellor. A bitter cold wind will blow across German lands. Get lost, Alice, and take your whole pack with you to the 1,000-year Reichshell.
80 years after Auschwitz, a Nazi party in Germany is once again on its way to seizing power.